In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your status on Microsoft Teams. Whether you want to indicate that you're available, busy, or away, knowing how to adjust your status is essential for effective communication and collaboration. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to sign in to Microsoft Teams. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Microsoft Teams website or open your Teams application. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button. Follow the prompts to enter your credentials, ensuring you use the correct email and password associated with your account. If you ever face issues signing in, make sure to double check your internet connection and credentials, or feel free to reach out to support for assistance. Once signed in, the next step is to locate and click on your profile icon. You'll usually find this in the upper right corner of the Teams interface. Clicking here will bring up a drop-down menu. It's a good practice to familiarize yourself with this menu because it houses several important settings and options that can enhance your Teams experience. With the menu open, you'll see your current status displayed. Typically, this might show as available, but it will vary depending on the last status you set or your recent activity. Click on your current status to open the status options. This is where you can choose how you appear to your colleagues and contacts. The status options generally include available, busy, do not disturb, be right back, and appear away. Select the one that accurately reflects your current situation. For instance, if you're in a meeting or need to focus on a task without interruptions, choosing do not disturb might be ideal. On the other hand, if you're stepping away for a short break, be right back signals your temporary unavailability. Remember, these status options are not just about indicating your presence, but also about managing expectations effectively with your team. After selecting your desired status, your profile will update automatically. It might take a few seconds, so don't worry if you don't see immediate changes. This updated status will signal to your colleagues what they can expect in terms of your availability, helping to minimize unnecessary pings or calls when you're preoccupied or away. And there you have it. Changing your status on Microsoft Teams is a simple yet powerful way to communicate your availability to your team. Regularly updating your status ensures that everyone knows when they can reach you, making for smoother communication and collaboration. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides. Thanks for joining me today and happy collaborating.